Cars, guys. 55. This is my uncle's other car. 55 Buick. And here's a GTO. And I'm not sure what this one is. Alright, guys. Oh, here's some other cars. Ooh. Nice. There's all kinds of cool cars. There's another one over here. I think this is a 442. Yeah. Wow. Some awesome cars. Jeez. Drooling. Wow, look at that.
I started to leave and I went, oh no.
How could you leave and not look?
Right? I was, my landlord called and he was friends with Gail and he went, oh,
Yeah.
I forgot that was today.
Yeah.
It vibrated, so I called him and said, what's going on? I'm like, Gail's funeral. And he went, I forgot that was today. I told him.
I'm drooling. I'm trying not to drool on the cars. That's nice. That's a late 50s or early 60s, I think.
I would say late 50s.
Yeah, between 58 and 61, I think, in there. But I know that's a 53 Ford.
Okay, Corvette, the first year they were made was 53.
Oh, that's right.
1 year before I was born.
Wow.
So,
My mom was 51. She born in 51. Wow. That's definitely 50s then.
yeah,
Mid 50s.
yeah, I would say so.
Wow. That's beautiful.